today is the day to discuss about action takers. So action takers की दो categories होती हैं, like quick action takers जो अपने decisions quickly लेते हैं, they don't like to take too much time, and slow action takers like who wants to make sure like all the parameters, they want to be very safe. So those are slow action takers. Now I am going to talk related to this business. When I came across this business, I label myself as very quick action taker क्योंकि मैंने I became business owner in 2 weeks. क्योंकि मैंने जैसे ही I came across this ad, I reached out to my present mentor and on WhatsApp और I showed a lot of interest. Then webinar जो share किया, she shared a webinar, मैंने उसको right on same day मैंने देखा. Then I was more interested to explore. मैंने $149 pay किया, and then वो भी मैंने within 2 days देख लिया, and that too I saw twice. Then I joined this business because क्योंकि मैं already मेरा mind already made up था that मुझे digital world में enter करना है. I wanted to try my hands in digital world. उसके अपने बहुत सारे benefits हैं which I'm not going to talk today. Then क्योंकि मेरा mind already made up था, so जब ये opportunity आई and मैं 2-3 महीने से I was exploring. I mean every day I was spending time. Sometimes I used to read Google Trends, sometimes through podcasts, sometimes through like what is happening, like how people, success stories of people in digital world. So this opportunity resonated with me, and then I became business owner in 2 weeks. But everyone is different. कुछ लोग when they come across this opportunity, fascinated होते हैं, interested होते हैं, but उनकी हिम्मत नहीं होती है, उनके बहुत सारे ifs and buts होते हैं. I mean कि what if this doesn't come out to be a legal business, जो कि already through presentations, webinars बता दिया जाता है. It's very sure. I mean कि this is a legitimate and taxable business, no need to worry. But still, this is a mind की skepticism रहता है. Then what if I don't get success? So if what if ko you can only with time and with your self-confidence and with action only you can cater to that what if. So yeah, I just wanted to, I mean no one is superior to another, but this is just a way of taking action. But I just want to also quote one example. Like the other day मैं Akash Ambani went to IIT and वो कुछ lecture, he was giving lecture. So he said कि for being successful, it's very important that you take action. The sooner you take action, the sooner you fail, the more successful you become, and you become successful quickly, faster. So that clicked me. I said, oh really? Sometimes हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं, we have to be very sure before taking action, so that we minimize the probability of the failure. But then he said, the sooner you take action, the sooner you fail, the faster you will be successful. So see, I mean that is a business mind, and I'm sure that comes from the experience he has through his father, and I mean the lineage. So I really like that eye-opening statement. So I just wanted to touch upon this, that you can take some time to think, but don't be too slow. इतना भी स्लो मत हो जाओ कि आप एक्शन ही नहीं ले पाओ, और जब आप एक्शन लो सो इट्स टू लेट. आई मीन द मार्केट इज ऑलरेडी सैचुरेटेड और whatever, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. सो डोंट बी टू स्लो. So yeah, I wanted to touch upon this topic today.